Welcome to our final module. We now have all the pieces, the 2 stages of learning, consume, digest, and the 5 categories of information, P.A.C.E.R. Now it's time to assemble them into a powerful, repeatable process. Our objective is to outline the complete 2-stage P.A.C.E.R learning process. We will walk through the full workflow from the moment you start learning to the moment the knowledge is secure. This entire system can be boiled down to a continuous dance between 2 steps. Step 1. Consume and identify. As you read a paragraph, watch a section of a video, or listen to part of a lecture, your only job is to ask one question. What type of information is this? Step 2. Pause and digest. The moment you identify the type of information, you pause your consumption and immediately apply the correct digestion technique. If it's procedural, practice it. If it's analogous, critique it. If it's conceptual, map it. If it's evidence or reference, store it for later rehearsal. Then you simply rinse and repeat. Learning effectively is repeating this consume and identify, pause and digest cycle over and over. This rhythm is what keeps your consumption and digestion perfectly balanced. Imagine you are reading a history chapter. The first paragraph explains the political reasons for the start of a war. The second gives a step-by-step account of a key battle. The third lists the casualties and the names of the generals. You would pause after each paragraph. After the first, you'd map the concepts. After the second, you'd try to recount the steps of the battle. After the third, you'd store the numbers and names on flashcards. So, why is it crucial to pause and digest frequently, rather than consuming an entire book or video course in one go? Because of the mental overeating problem. Our short-term memory is limited. If we consume too much information without pausing to digest it, we will overwhelm our brain and forget almost everything. Pausing frequently ensures that what we consume gets properly processed and moved to long-term memory. You have now learned the theory, the categories, and the workflow. The final step is understanding that this is not a rigid set of rules, but a new set of habits. Like learning to drive, it feels awkward at first, but with practice, it becomes second nature. Our final objective is to formulate a personal commitment to applying the P.A.C.E.R system. Let's recap the 3 core principles of this course. 1. Balance is everything. Learning happens when consumption is balanced by digestion. 2. You can't use a hammer for everything. Sort information with P.A.C.E.R to use the right tool for the job. 3. The goal is understanding, not just recall. Your aim is to build a mental network of ideas you can use. To make this a habit, start small. Try it on a single 10-minute video or one article. Be patient with yourself. It will feel slow at first. Trust the process. The time you spend digesting is an investment that pays off in near-perfect retention. Focus on the process, not perfection. Your first maps might be messy. It doesn't matter. The act of doing is what builds the memory. As a final activity, I encourage you to make a personal pledge. Identify one specific thing you want to learn in the next week. Think about which P.A.C.E.R categories you expect to find, and commit right now to which digestion technique you will use while you learn it. To conclude, what is the single biggest change you will make to your learning habits after this course, and why do you believe it will make a difference? Perhaps your answer is something like this. The biggest change I will make is to stop passively reading and start actively mapping out the concepts. I believe this will make a huge difference because I always struggle to see the big picture, and mapping forces me to build the connections between ideas instead of just trying to memorize them in a line. Whatever your answer, commit to it. Congratulations! You have completed the master course on A System for Effective Learning. You begin by understanding the fundamental flaw in most learning approaches, the imbalance between consumption and digestion. You redefined your goal from the impossible task of remembering everything to the powerful objective of building usable knowledge. You then learned the P.A.C.E.R framework, a system for sorting information into its 5 core types, and mastered the corresponding digestion technique for each: practice, critique, map, and store or rehearse. Finally, you integrated these pieces into a simple, powerful, and repeatable workflow that will prevent mental overeating and ensure that what you learn sticks. Learning is not a magical talent you are born with. It is a skill you can build. You now possess a complete toolkit to learn anything more effectively, more efficiently, and more permanently. The journey from a passive consumer of information to an active builder of knowledge is now yours to take.